Hi folks, welcome back. It's a wet Friday afternoon in the middle of July, pretty disappointing. We're just waiting for a customer to come and collect his BMW M2. So this car belongs to Mark. We met him a few months ago. He'd had a system installed. It was quite nicely done, all good kit, but it wasn't very well set up and he was not very happy with the sound. So it came into us, we spent a few hours on it, we tuned the system, carried out all the updates, set the crossover points in the right position, set the levels, dropped the rear speakers down, and actually, tuned it and completely transformed it, to be fair. Mark picked the car up and he was blown away with just how good his system could actually sound. Then he listened to our demo car and went away and got completely hooked on upgrading. So he's back again now 2 months later, and we've taken the car to what I would say would be the next level. So it had some really good plug and play front components. We took those out and we replaced those with the Morel reference BMW components. Our favourite BMW speaker now, we absolutely love them, and we're installing tons of them. When we stripped the door down, it's all very nicely done. The regulator panel wasn't soundproofed, and that's quite important for us, so we added the third layer of soundproofing, which is a regulator panel. It's already wired, it's already actively wired, so we didn't need to run any extra cables in the door, so that was pretty helpful. So we added the Morel front components. This car has Audison underseat woofers. It wasn't worth upgrading until the Morels, because the Audison are actually very good unless you're going to do it from the start. It was silly wasting money changing those as well, so we stuck with the Audisons underneath there. We added a digital integration module, so that's a box of tricks that links the iDrive 8, well, that's 8.5, no 8 in here, to the Audison amplifier. So rather than taking the high level output from the factory Harman Kardon amplifier, we drop out that amp and we drop out the power module of the amp, the bass amp. Keep the RAM module, add a digital integration box, gives us, it's 24-bit straight into the Audison Forza amplifier. Speech is going, it's Friday afternoon and we've been very busy. Wireless CarPlay is running at 16-bit, so you've got 16-bit audio throughout into the amplifier. And then he wanted some extra bass in the back. It had a compact active subwoofer, which is pretty good, but he wanted something serious, so we replaced that with a JL Audio W3. We custom built the enclosure. It took us a couple of days to do that. Normally Murray makes them for us. He's a great fella, but he's been a little bit tied up lately, so we've had to do this one ourselves and realised just how long it takes to do it properly. So looking forward to getting back on board, Murray. Under this side, we've got an Audison Forza amplifier. It's the Forza monoblock, and that just runs this subwoofer. So we've not had to do any additional wiring to the original system. All we've had to do is add the amplifier, retune the system, set the whole thing up again, and it absolutely sings. This car is sounding so awesome. I'm so excited for Mark to pick it up. Now, Mark is a very excitable fella, and I know that when he hears this, he's going to go off the charts. So counting down the minutes now, he's going to be here any second. So thanks very much for watching, folks. If you've got a BMW, you're interested in a BMW Audio Upgrade, just come and hear a demo car. There really is no obligation. Until you've heard it, you can't make an informed decision, can you? But if you come and hear it, then you've got an idea what we can actually get to happen in a BMW with all the speakers in stock locations with some of our systems. Have a great weekend. Thank you very much.